Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and grow the platform. You see. So, you don't know, I have the tourist industry where I look into. Madly, where I try to find out the name and the people them where are the main player them in the game. And like I say, most of them are foreign. I come from some country where uphold and act like them are the beacon of humanity and human rights and things like that. Yet them there, our country perpetrate the most horrific atrocities on working class people. You see, so it's kind of upsetting and distracting, to say the least. See, but me also observe something, a side story on the back of that, where, it might be looked at as just speculation or theory, but we have to consider all things these days when we see how the whole thing manifest and play out. Because when you see how crime and violence take over the island and thing, and we look and see the type of people them who responsible for it. You see, what going to happen now is that mainly scammers get attributed for them things. Them themselves accept and admit it and know say, yeah, them are the boss and them are do this and them are buy that and them are rate it. You see, it's any society you're going in and thing like that. It's the youth and youth them usually look into the basic infrastructure, like the resource them, economical resource where the country have. Them first try apply themselves to ownership of that, claiming that because youth always knows if them country feed them. You see, tourism is the same. I mean, notice say, and it's something that way, the scammer them where I scam so much money, put any farmer attention towards our interest in it. You see, we know say a whole heap of villas and whole heap of little thing them could have did set up, seen and benefit from them thing there, rather than use violence and further disrupt, distract, and give the country a bad reputation regarding the one and only economic resource where it can automatically and easily be a turnover for ghetto people, for poor people, influence it upon the verge of being snatched away. You see, no few right now I can't remember the days when tourists used to just walk up and down to the place. Walk up and down to Mobile, buy where them a buy, drink where them a drink, smoke where them a smoke, go where them a go and feel free and comfortable and things like that. Probably a one pick packet or something like that, and as him pick a packet, karate charge it up on him case, whoop and tear down that. No man, so it's one of the hardest things ever for happen at Jamaica. You see, however, over time, you see what the man them do. Open up beer, all-inclusive hotel. See, now, and them people here upon the island, and them have the most control, most access to overseas people bank account, vulnerable people and all them sort of things. Usually, them type of people talk to them and make them know them needs and things like that. So, them know certain people mindset and all them way there, readily on the island. Cause we are got at the scamming we are talking about, You see, so our hotelier, them, the tourist industry, them type of people, they have the most access to overseas people account other than overseas agencies and them sort of thing, the rasta. Them thing they are not a joke. Remember, at them details, you know, the list, then thing, people that details consist of the list. You know, this might not be so, or just a hypothesize for the moment, and I look on all manner of reality, because if we can't identify the reason for our reality at the moment, or we are going to just sit back and wait for it come in our dream. No. You better help examine it and see what's going on and eliminate my stupidity. Let's eliminate this logic. That means we'll move on to another. You see? Yes, I. So look, I want to say Ghetto youth have access to all manner of foreigners, details, and you know, so particularly certain people with under a certain mindset were easy to get scam and easy to get the wool pull over them eye, them way and things like that. Hence the reason for so much success with the type of scamming. You know, the scam strategy where I use this day and age when nobody now to, you know, see at the back of the book bus in terms of fraud these days. Nowadays fraudsters use them laptop or them phone and go in your account, go thief some money and them way there. And use your account buy it and them little way there. You know, see, it hard for you to call a man these days and I tell him, say, yo, you win the lottery and he never buy it. And him accept and admit that. You know, see, that's suspicious to me. And everybody's so stupid. Hence, I mean, everybody's so stupid. Where the scam hit. Look on the success where the scammer them at Jamaica have. You know, see it? Yeah, you can see it. You hear them talk about it and sing about it, or something overflowing, them things they don't hide. You know, see, you never see smoke without fire. Because when them get for them money and war inspired and destruction inspired and start kill off them one another and mash up the ghetto, evidence that for validate, say, we are animal. The stereotype where the hotelier them push, because at one point only for tourists during Ghettos, and at least that the last part of it, that Ghettos and Zeke's era when them end up going to prison. You used to have people that come on at Tivoli Garden and apart them car all about people that talk about passa and Jamaican dance. I don't think people that talk about Jamaican dance all now. As socially barely them get famous. Bogle them at the sweetest time of dance of life in a Jamaica. Them time they all gunman a dancer too. Gunman, stepper, a dancer. Put on him thing and go on a dance off him, you know, and come back, go and bleach. Yeah. You know see, you know see them thing there are too, you know, them thing they kind of take time, die out really. You don't really have no dancehall tourists I come to Jamaica again too tough. You know, see, they might have the ad stage show or the you know, me I say them type of thing they like Sunsplash. You know, so what I say? But the part of the culture they get mashed up because what? Be a crime and violence in the location, in the vicinity of where them thing are. For usually. You know, see. That would have been the extension now, because the politicians them just show a bit of intention for spread out the tourism industry across the corporate area to, you know, make Ghetto youth get some, make Kingston youth and people get some of it. You know, see, now them big monopoly there we set up themselves like that, all inclusively, would have been the biggest I could say sufferer throughout all of this. You already have your all-inclusive things where you set up and things like that, and everybody realize that outside, out the road are more fun than the prison where you create on a free island and characterize the people, stereotype the whole thing, which is more criminal than what going out the road, because Jamaica, you know, have the record for earth tourists. Literally now have the record there, the pension there. You know, see, we have business people where come on our island come live. taint the culture, the nature, and everything that we are there. Enough of them live there long enough and know the truth. So it is not so. You know, you get what I say? No, that enable them people to forget every penny where the tourists bring come to Jamaica. And them hotel boy there, them a strategize a way how them can collect every dime. No care how it's small it might sound. You know see it? Come on man, the common man not forget nothing and tourists feel afraid of them. Them are the biggest beneficiary. Them benefit the most when crime and violence and war and disruption go on in a Jamaica upon the street. And this is facts. We not have to ask how them things they go. And we know say you never see smoke without fire. So we have to ask them question, ya Rasta. Forgive our ignorance, aya. We want to know what go on. Somebody is in charge, you know, and we know that. You see it. You see it. These guys benefit the most. Them look culpable. If this was a case where, for instance, an outside investigator like the FBI or the CIA should have looked into what go on at Jamaica, them are the first people them are look upon. Them have the means, the motive, and accessibility. The three main things where link somebody to a crime or an action. The means to carry out the crime, the motives to carry out the crime, and access. That means you're there in the vicinity, and you easily reach, or you could have easily boom, bam, bam. You never there in Miami when it happened at Jamaica. You know see it? You never there at Kingston when it happened at Mobile. You know see it? The more it just so we have to look upon them guy Rasta. So the thing said this is the nature of law, this is the rule of suspicion. I saw it go, when you can't blame I no one claim say I is being ridiculous. Or we call it, yeah. I don't know. I don't know whether I them all want to say. And the most bitter part of it is that's our own Jamaican, them black brother, them are going to say them sort of thing there. You know see, even when nobody not ask them to do it, them run come do it for free with the hopes that they might get some sort of curry favor or some recognition. Them prepare. So we have some greedy dog amongst us, you know, shameless dog. Triple X, like Triple X. Triple X is a dog of no shame, no constitution, and him no business. Him no business. You know see it? People like them there show again the depths to which we think has sunk. The culture has sunk. The compassion, humanity, standards, personal dignity, self-respect, sunk, disappear. Not there again. When guy like them, they can feel like so them can come defend certain things openly in a John public to get to people, Rasta, with impunity. And get where? A guy when I can't run gun away because I doubt if him have a US visa again and you catch him a thief or you die. Anyway, you see, yeah. So we have to show a whole heap of concern, right? Because them guys are some powerful guy. Powerful people, them, because you ever say, them lock down the UN. The UN come and make a report and put some suggestion in the report. And them never like that. And then make UN have to withdraw that. So I don't think it ever reach like a UN standard publication. Probably them give them a review, give them it for review at Jamaica first. It reached Jamaica local media, but It's like the guy have to cause them draw all sort of card on the brother. Why him have to withdraw the argument? You know, see, build up, be a 5-star hotel in a slum, in the middle of slums, with thousands of guns. How them gun they reach there, sir? How them scammer they get people name who live abroad? How that could happen? This look reasonably suspicious, Rasta. I know business who want to look on a certain way like I know, in a sense. You know, see, I just throw it out there anyway. We are going to examine them some more. Because them, hey, you don't feel like, say, you see the brother who won IBU Star, somewhere down on the North Coast, the man they are billionaire in a Rasta. Them man they are not joke money, them man they have in a pocket change. A pocket change them man they can use and upset any apple cart in a Jamaica, you know. Pocket change. No, me nah say I him do it, nah blame them guy, them Mr. Show no. The type of guy, the heavyweight guy them. Where I perform amongst I and I down there. And some guy good at dead and act like say them guy are ignorant and no sense. Them guy is very much aware of some very deep, dark tactics to maintain them business and enhance them profit. You know, see? So you can't get caught sleeping. These things is our reality. And we have to know this. You see? And I give thanks. Rastafari.